Twitter former CEO Jack Dorsey has again shown his fierce loyalty to Bitcoin by seemingly dissing Ethereum. Twitter co-founder and Block CEO Jack Dorsey tweeted harsh criticism of Ethereum over the weekend, saying that the blockchain has many single points of failure and projects built on Ethereum are not interesting to him. It started with a tweet from Ethereum co-creator Vitalik Buterin. Buterin referred to Tesla CEO Elon Musk's recent purchase of a 9.2% stake in Twitter, which several people, including Dogecoin co-creator Jackson Palmer, believe could lead to a takeover. Buterin wrote that while he is not opposed in principle to Musk taking over Twitter, he fears the move would set a dangerous precedent for less liberal individuals and organizations. Dorsey replied same and, in another tweet, added, "I don't believe any individual or institution should own social media, or more generally media companies. It should be an open and verifiable protocol. Everything is a step toward that." At this point, DeSo, the crypto-powered social network formerly known as BitClout, jumped on the thread to do some self-promotion. Jack replied that if DeSo is an Ethereum protocol, he's not interested. Fortunately for DeSo, it's not. Jack Dorsey has admittedly never been a fan of Ethereum and has been quite open about his stance on the cryptocurrency. Dorsey has always been a Bitcoin maximalist through and through, showing support for the pioneer cryptocurrency at every turn, even going as far as stepping down as Twitter CEO to focus more on Block, a venture which focuses solely on building with Bitcoin. Welcome back to Savvy Finance. Big thanks to all our subscribers and viewers. We can't thank you enough. It isn't exactly news that Dorsey loves him some Bitcoin. He has said that he is working to make Bitcoin the native currency for the internet. But he has also gone on record saying that he won't even invest in Ethereum. Never mind that Twitter minted a collection of Ethereum-backed non-fungible tokens last year. The Ethereum he gained from selling his first tweet as an NFT was immediately converted to Bitcoin and donated it to charity. Increasingly, Dorsey seems to be expressing more contempt for Ethereum. Despite being vocal about not being a supporter of Ethereum, Dorsey does get asked a fair bit what he thinks about the asset and the blockchain as a whole. It's one of these instances that led Dorsey to once again show that he does not support the digital asset. With Dorsey focusing all of his energy on building with Bitcoin, others have brought up the possibility of the Block CEO integrating other blockchains into his work. A Twitter user by the name of C. Dixon last year posed the possibility of the CEO to work with Ethereum and other blockchains, stating that there were other applications of cryptocurrencies that would require other chains. Dorsey had responded to the tweet with a clear and concise tweet. The tweet, once again, leaned greatly towards the support for Bitcoin as the CEO explained that only secure and resilient technology should be used, alluding to the centralized nature of the Ethereum blockchain. "I believe in you and your ability to understand systems. It's critical we focus our energy on truly secure and resilient technologies owned by the mass of people, not individuals or institutions. Only that foundation will provide for the applications you allude to." Dorsey isn't known for his Twitter timidity. Last week, he dragged the Robinhood trading app and its CEO, Vladimir Tenev. Before last Christmas, he jumped on a crypto thread by musician Cardi B to lambast Web3 venture capital firms. Dorsey is a proud Bitcoin maximalist and says all other cryptocurrencies don't factor in at all. Last summer, he said no when someone tweeted that it was only a matter of time before the Block CEO invested in Ethereum. A month and a half later, he not coincidentally shared an anti-Ethereum tweet. Still, Dorsey's criticisms of the world's second-largest cryptocurrency remained obscure until last weekend. Before leaving Twitter last November, Dorsey had wanted to design a decentralized standard for social media platforms to conform to. In 2019, he funded an initiative called Blue Sky, led by Twitter's then CTO Raoul Pal, to work towards this goal. In August 2021, Dorsey tapped Jay Graber, creator of events Social Network Happening, who took over from Raoul as project lead. Raoul then became Twitter's CEO after Dorsey's departure. What do you make of Jack Dorsey Bitcoin Maxi and his clear disgust for Ethereum? Let us know in the comments.
Today's episode is sponsored by iTrust Capital, the #1 crypto IRA platform in America. We allow you to invest in your favorite cryptocurrencies without worrying about taxes. That's right, iTrust Capital allows you to buy and sell your favorite cryptocurrencies completely tax-free. That means if you invest $10,000 into Cardano and it grows to $100,000, all of your profits are tax-free. Why is it tax-free? We took the existing retirement account industry and flipped it on its head. Instead of boring stocks and bonds, you can invest in crypto. How is it secured? Through Coinbase Custody, one of the leading cold storage providers with a $320 million insurance policy to protect against theft, hacks, and loss of funds. Roll over your existing retirement account, or even start a new one from scratch. questions? Schedule a free call with one of our crypto retirement account specialists, and they can help you discuss your options. Start your crypto IRA today and retire early, only at iTrust Capital. Click the link in the description to open a free account now.
Thanks for watching.